Hello, today in class we're going to solve another problem about directly proportional or inversely proportional quantities. In the course of solving this problem, we will understand which quantities are directly proportional or inversely proportional. This will determine how we will make a proportion and find the unknown quantity. The conditions of the task are as follows. The car moved at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour and covered the distance in 2 hours. At what speed will the same car move if it will be on the road for 5 hours? Note that the distance in this problem is a constant value. Solving problems in directly proportional or inversely proportional quantities, we need to understand what is going to be a constant quantity. In our problem, distance is a constant. Since it's going to be a constant, there will be a change in time or speed. Our problem says that in a certain amount of time he traveled a distance at a certain speed. So we have two quantities, time and speed. In the previous lesson, we did a similar problem. But we looked at time and distance, and speed was constant. In this problem, time and speed change, but distance remains constant. The time is 2 hours, and the speed is 60 kilometers per hour. How fast will the car travel if it travels this distance in 5 hours? Notice that I've written down the values of time and the value of speed. You can't write these down in the wrong order. Now let's move on to the solution. Let's think about this. If time is increasing, then the speed is decreasing. In 2 hours, he traveled the distance at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. And in 5 hours, what happens? It's the same distance. We realize that the speed will decrease. One quantity increases, the second quantity decreases. So therefore, we have an inverse proportionality. And then when we do a ratio, we write 2 divided by 5 equals x divided by 60. And this is a very important step in making proportions. If in direct proportionality we make a proportion based on a condition, in the way that the condition is written, then in inverse proportionality we reverse it. We go around 2 divided by 5 equals x divided by 60. And then we always get it right. Let's find x from this proportion, 2 times 60 times 60, and divide by 5. 60 and 5 can be divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 60 divided by 5 is 12. 2 times 12 is 24. Our speed will be 24 kilometers per hour. In the next lesson, we will solve more problems on proportionality. That's all for today. Goodbye, see you again.